this meeting on the potential upcoming drone wall is scheduled for this Friday. Whom will participate on top of Commissioner Kubilius and the Commission? The 7 frontline member states. So Estonia, Latvia, Finland, Lithuania, Poland, Romania, Bulgaria. And to that list of 7 countries, I can indeed add Ukraine. Now, what will be discussed? This is a concrete deliverable from the frontline visit that President von der Leyen and Commissioner Kubilius have done earlier this month. This is a concrete follow-up also to the announcement by President von der Leyen in her State of the Union speech on our need to set up such a drone wall, as the recent attacks are incursions have already shown in Romania and in Poland. What will be discussed? Member states remain, of course, in the driving seat. We will see what their interest is, how we can help them, what their capabilities are, what their needs are, and following up on this discussion, we will then decide on potential next steps hand in hand with these member states